YouTube video. I'm Sean from FAF, Fix and Forget. Today I'm going to be doing an install of individually addressable LED strips on my frosty glass desk. The kit I bought is around £15, which comes with a 5 metre strip of RGB LEDs, a power supply, an infrared controller and the main control box. The strip being individually addressable, for those of you who don't know, means each individual LED can be shown a different colour, which can give some really great effects. For those of you interested, I'll leave a link in the video description below. I will be powering it off my computer power supply, which will output 12 volt, although it does come with a UK wall plug supply, but I won't be using this as I don't want them on when my PC's off. This kit is audio responsive and I'll try to showcase that as best as I can. Please like if you like the video. Here's the end result, I hope you like it. Here's how I installed it. Basically, this is the light kit that I'm going to be fitting. This is the LED light controller. I've cut the power supply down for fitting inside my computer. This is the controller. Has colour shift, mode, turn on the microphone or not. That's what these blue buttons are. The LED strip consists of connector and 5 meters of this. The diodes there are RG and B, and there's little controllers there, which I believe one of these must be a data cable, one that's possibly a positive and negative. Let's get to the install. So on my desk I have underneath, that's the computer they're going to be fitting into. I haven't really worked that out yet, but underneath the desk there is this little rim around the edge, just here. I'm just going to place the LED strip all the way around that. Ignore my terrible cable management at the moment, and plug it in, maybe with the wires running through the GPU, or maybe through the top bin there. This red wire here is the one that powers my LED strip, and what I did was I butchered a cheap fan cable and then just connected it together here and taped the connection, which looks terrible. I understand audio won't be the best in this video as I don't have the mic up right now, but I look forward to literally any feedback, good, bad, meh. It's appreciated greatly. If you want to see more similar videos, please leave a comment on what you would like to see in the next one. Thanks for watching.